Hey guys, I'm showing you this Lovus 800-watt solar LED street light. It's an outdoor commercial parking lot light with a dusk to dawn and motion sensor. So as you can see, it's a protective one and a big light. And this comes with all the accessories, and it's a perfect solar flood security light for basketball courts or the roadways. So as you can see, this have this attachment to attach on the pole. So I'm just loosening up the screws and putting this pole so that I can adjust it on another pole. This also have a remote control, so you can control it from a distance, and it can be charged solar power, so it's a good thing for that. So this also have a motion sensor and dusk to dawn sensitivity, and also this is a waterproof IP67. So because this is for the outdoor use, so I'm just putting in the batteries to the remote, and with the remote you can easily control it whenever you want the light. So this one, as you can see, there's a motion sensor here with a green light, and then just putting in the on and off with the remote, and it can be on with a really bright light. So these are the other accessories that you can mount it through the pole, or you can mount it on a wall. So it can be dually mounted wall as well as on the pole. So I will just put it on the pole here. You can see that that fits really well, and the charging will happen in here, and this is the night view that after the charging, and I can also control it through the remote control. But you can see like the it's really bright light in the night with the motion sensor, and it controls and lighten up the whole background, so you can see the light. So it's pretty nice and really good, waterproof, great help with the remote wall mount as well as pole mount, and then can be used easily. So this can be controlled with the remote, as you can see it here, and the light the difference when it is on and it is not.